Viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Eze-Ana, Ugochi Chube Norifite, come in Maka Chube. Abu Monye Sin Chuaja, Ugochi Chube na Temple, and in our family, because all of more is it. Abu Monye Sin Chuaja, and Restoration Evangelical Mission, Bronian Basus or the Nibo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. No Bachita, no Gawan kills you, why do we have families with untimely deaths and history. Yes. So ihe anyị na-achịkọwa bụ family ndị anwa bụ n'oge ọbụla ebu anya mmiri n'anya, anya mmiri akwadoghị akwado. Yes. Ịma na ọnwụ enwero n'ọbụ no how many years mmadụ ga-anọ well before Rabachukwu. Mana o nwere ọnwụ akwadoghị akwado a na-akpọ ya untimely death. Now ọnwụ akwadoghị akwado abụ ọnwụ nke bụ na mmadụ nwere ike isi gị na mma asa nụrụ documents today mana ka nje Ọnịcha na nna abịa ihe ọzọ ị ga-anụ bụ na-enwere moto felu break n'ebe ọ nọ n'ụzọ na-egoro ahịa moto efere break ga-agidopia ya gbuo ya ebe ọ nọ ọnya untimely death. But here that family and one were history of untimely death na every year, every 2 years, every 3 years. Na mmadụ ga-anwụrịrị ike. Ịgbakwana nkịtị mgbe ị notice na ihe na-eto na-eme na ngwurube nna gị. Na-agba mbọ atọ n'ogbe, abụọ atọ n'ogbe, abụọ atọ ọ bụrụ sọ ogbe ka a pịara akụ. No smoke with afọ ya dịka nna agwa gị. Ọ bụrụ na o nwere ihe kpatara eji notice ọnwụ ike anọkọta ịmara mgbe burugbo mgbe esi dị n'ụkwụ ụkwa na nwa okorobịa anwụọ n'ike no untimely death na-eto a na-adịghị aja ajụ ese ka mmadụ ihe butere ya. I can tell you na ịgbara nkịtị mgbe ọbụla ịnotisi na family nso na anyanwụ family ndị na-anwụ ọnwụ ike family ndị a na-anwụ ọnwụ ike come across board whether the rich or poor families. Ka bụ ọkwa ị kwesịrị ịma before anyị banye n'ọkwa anyị kwesịrị ịma n'ụbọchị taa echefuna na anyị nọ na month of July. Monthly rituals for the month is still ongoing. Anyị ga-achịkọta ụbọchị ikpeazụ nke ọnwa a echefukwana na ị nwere ike iso na ya bụ aja ebe ọ bụla ị nọ na nsọtụ ụwa dum. Distance is not a barrier in aja anyị na-achụ ma ọwa ofe anyị na-agụ na temple. Ụbọchị a ka anyị ga-eje na mmiri jee chụọ aja kpee ile ọma n'aha mmadụ dum gbagotara temple chụọ aja to entities of powers jee n'ebe nchụ aja gbuo ewu mesara aka kekwazie uke chụọ aja ma kee ndị amụsụ. Ihe ndị a bụ ihe anyị ga-eme n'aha mmadụ dum. Ndị niile chọrọ isonye na ya bụ aja echacha m na WhatsApp agwa gị other things we need for you in order to book you. Ya bụ aja anyị na-achụ for ndị friends all over the world, friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. To aka isi eme ọnwa ọbụla. So ọ bụrụ na iso na ya bụ aja anyị malitere aja ihe karịgo 3 years. We have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media ma ọ bụ n'eziokwu TV maka na ọ dịrọ necessary. But ihe na-achọ ịgwa gị nwanne chụba aja maka na aja karịrị ọgwụ. Iche iso na ya bụ aja ihe ga-eme forward ya 3 prayer requests. Anyị ga-edebe n'altar, then make token donation to the account number. WhatsApp number ị ga-eji nweta ma ọ bụrụ na o nwere ajụjụ ị nwere na nkụzi ya ma ọ bụ na ịchọ ka iso na ya bụ aja 08057837672 ma ọ bụ 08138243871. Ị na-anya na screen gị ga-afụ numbers ndị a mkpọrọ. Now let's dive into today's lecture. This lecture amadị long, so pay attention ka ịmụta ihe ị kwesịrị ịma dịka m si ekwu na what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. Yes, if you are knowledgeable, you are master. If you lack knowledge, you remain a slave. And ma chekọwala gị nke mbugoro know today that no smoke without fire. Ihe na-achịkọwala gị bụ na o nwere ihe kpatara o ji abụ ebe ndị ọzọ gara nafee ịhụnụ gafee ọnụ atọ. Enwere ike anọkọta n'obodo anọgido n'obodo enwee just a careless shootout. O nwere ike ịfụ from anywhere from security agents, o nwere ike ịbịa from men of underworld. But ụnụ na-abụkarị casualty, ụnụ na-abụkarị victim. Enwere ike ebe mmadụ 10 nọ asị ka enwere ụdị ihe na-etu anwa ọ bụrụ onye nke gị ka ọ ga-ada. Ọ bụrụ ofu, ọ bụrụ ịbụ, ọ bụrụ ịtọ, etu a ka o si eme. Ọgụrụgụrụgụrụ mebi ofu n'arọ o mee. Ọgụrụgụrụgụ every 2 years o mee. Ọgụrụgụrụ every 3 years o mee. Ụmụ family ọ bụ dị ihe symptoms ihe a na-atụ anya amago na ọ ga-emeriri. As we speak now, o nwere ndị nọ under the influence of my voice na anụ olu m ga-afụ vidio mana ha chịkwa obi n'aka na from now till December na ha marakwa onye ya nwụrụ. Whenever you are experiencing such a thing in your family, don't keep quiet, because when you keep quiet, it means all that is well. You must cry for help. That's what I'm saying. We have history of families that have such a thing have happened to them over and over time, till they pay attention to their problem and solve it, and today it become a thing of the past. And when a family name with tragedy, every 3 years somebody must die. But they did the needful, and today they are already being liberated. I can tell you so many things can cause it. Many things can cause it. Cause can cause it. Many bondage, yes, can cause it. And then spell can cause it. Then not keeping some certain covenant can actually cause it. Yes. So, but what's important thing is that it's deep after that we ascertain exactly why those things are happening and what we must do. That is one. Two, but today I want to address people that are facing this kind of challenge. Like I told you before, some people are facing this kind of challenge and they come across board, as in from rich families and from average or even from poor homes. But one thing they notice that this untimely death will always come. But let me tell you what is untimely death. Untimely death in this life, there is no age bracket that is unto a man to pass on. No. Some people can complete the reason why they are here on earth before 40. Some can complete their own before 80. Some can complete their own before 120 years. So it doesn't really have, life didn't have feast, because we are not here, all of us are not here for a unique general rules. No. Everybody is here for a particular mission. So not long life is more important. Now, what is important? Do you live a fulfilled life? But today I want to address those people that pass on without living fulfilled life. Those people that I still have on some certain things to tidy up. That will always tell you, please let me go to Onitsha, let me go to where I'm coming back, so that we can finalize this. Before you know it, those people that nobody told them sorry, just they are gone. That is the people I want to address. There is difference between somebody, if somebody is sick, then for a while, maybe a year, 6 months, 1 year, or even years, and series of prayers have been done. Some of them, Father, do a confession, do all those the sick, visiting the sick and rest of them. Such a person has ample opportunity to do one or two, at least to put some certain things in order and to make peace with people that he's having issues with. I'm not talking about those ones. Those who some of them have is what they are signed from their EU, that they will not live long. Yes, I'm not talking about those ones. But I'm talking about those families that have this serial record of every year, every 2 years, every 3 years, somebody must just let me go. Just go. I want to go and buy fuel. Motor will jam, or somebody is walking on the road. You will see stray blades and hit the person. Just buy. You will see somebody, the other person is traveling. The same thing, just tragic death. That is people I want to address. So, and some people that what everything, even accidents, they involve in accidents, somebody must die. And this happen to be like a routine in that particular family. So pay attention in whatever you do in life. Always pay attention on what is happening around you as a person. Then pay attention what is happening to your family as a whole. Yes, then let me tell you, that particular accident that a member of your family had and passed on, I can tell you there are some people that had similar accidents and nothing happened to them. Even in the same vehicle, I have seen an accident scene where a vehicle, Eze-Ana, had an accident. Believe in me, you will not believe that somebody will come out of that vehicle. But within that particular vehicle, when the vehicle is dismembered, we still have some people that came out of that vehicle unhurt, while some passed on. You ask yourself, why is it that na oge enweriri onye ga-anwụ ọnwụ ụnụ ga o nwere ndị ọ dị o nwere so many things na-aka ọsụ ya. Then the same way nkwara ndị bụ na ha dị anwụ ọnwụ ike, o nwere ndị ọ dị like that. O nwere one incident that happened. Yes, the person bata moto gbanya mata moto wee sị na bịa biko ka ya gota ihe gota the charge card, ka ọ bụzie ka o je gota the charge card, another person nọchie the moto. Ma ọ pụtazi na-agwazi ọkwọ ngwara gị biko na ma nọgo na site ka nje gota the charge card. Onye nke batara ọfụ na kwechiri na ya ma hapụ na nwere ihe eme ka ya pụọ na that seat. Azọbịa onye nke mbụ ụzọ bịa na seti ya nwasị ka eje na gota the charge card. Well, it's okay, let me just leave it for God. Because he had a message within him that you should not overdrag this, you should go. That particular lady went to another second bus. Behold, before the motor load finished, by the time they are going on their way from Enugu to Onitsha, it happened that that particular bus that particular lady would have joined had an accident. And that particular side, she was supposed to stay in that particular bus, is badly injured. And you see know what happened? That particular person that dragged that seat with her is the person that died. You can see that it's like the person died her own death. So some people have experienced such similar things. Let me give you an example, like my humble self. Why I don't normally like to use myself as an example? To be able to learn. Sometimes if you are talking stories, it will be like you are talking just allegorical stories. No, this is a true life story. I remember the first fatal accident I had in life is when I was coming back from Olo to Onitsha. We had a accident. The motor was assaulted, and we lost some people. Some people lost their life. And I came out on that particular incident unhurt. Another serious one I had again is from Lagos to Abuja. So, but the motor decided to follow, come down to Benin. I don't know why I really want to follow, but we see that the motor is coming towards very close to Okada. Yes, Okada Junction. We had this head-on collision with the vehicle. Some people passed on there, but I still came out unhurt. It's not as if that I'm perfect, no. But I can tell you that there's some certain people, what is following them and what is in their lineage is that they are 1 week. But over some family all day, any slighted thing, they are already passed on. It's like the stories of untimely death is so rampant. I have said it before. In my own language, every family has nkehaketa, kwema. Yes, I'm not saying that every family in Igbo spirituality will nkehaketa. But whatever way nkunu ketala, now man mbok you liberate yourself. Because only the solution, but not a matter. I can tell you, since I was born, none of my direct relatives have ever died in accident or just untimely death. No. But my family is in double their problem. So today I want to address those people that is always their problem. Whenever you notice that your family has always died, from children's death and to adults, he repeats himself very often. I can tell you, no smoke without fire. Don't keep quiet. Whenever your condition is not palatable and you keep quiet, you assume that all is well with you because, if a child is crying, the mother will look at what is the problem and be able to solve that child's problem. But whenever the child is having some issues and decide not to cry, nobody will pay attention to that particular child. The same thing is what is happening to you. So whenever you notice that there's some certain thing that is beyond your control, cry out and seek for solution. Matthew 7:7 says, and I quote, knock, the door will open for you. Seek, you shall find. Ask, it shall be given unto you. But when you decide out of your own ignorance, decide not to ask, nobody will give you. Let me stop here. So if your family has this kind of problem, chat me on WhatsApp. I'll help you. What you don't know remains a mystery to you and not all. I can tell you there is solution. Whatever that is bringing that thing to the family on timely death. Yes, it's very clear that there is a particular spirit of death that is after your family. And something must be done to put a stop to it. Let me stop here. If you have any question into this uh, lecture, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 or 0813 8243 871. Nah, to work and keep me here. Only can you say that you come up with this in the leaders of your life. So let there be blessing upon their lives. Prayer, ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ka Chineke na-apụ izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke meworo m ya. Ya gazie.